Michelle Ritgers. I am a Spring Forest Qigong practitioner and I teach Spring Forest Qigong classes here at the Healing Heart Center. Qigong is a term that can be broken up into two words really. Qi, which is energy, and Gong, which means work. Qigong would be working with the universal life energy. Here at the Healing Heart Center we teach two levels of Qigong as well as Qisage. Qigong level 1 is working with the energy and learning how to use it, and Qigong level 2 is actually learning how to use it in healing of yourself and others. And then Qisage is also a technique that we use the meridians or the energy system, and that is more like massage. We utilize energy points and massage those energy points. We teach the Qigong classes in a variety of different ways. We can teach level 1 and 2 on a whole weekend where you would be engrossed or engulfed in a class for the whole weekend. Or we can teach one class maybe one night a week or 2 nights a week. If it's one night a week, it would be about 6 weeks or 8 weeks. If it was 2 nights a week, it would be more like 4 weeks. There are many benefits for Qigong, both personally and in helping others. Spring Forest Qigong is a very simple technique that allows you to use simple movements to both help yourself and others from a healing standpoint, to balance your energy, to balance your spiritual, emotional, and physical life so that healing can become easier and pain can be reduced. The Spring Forest Qigong mission is a healer in every family in a world without pain. As a master healer, I'm available to help you with your physical, emotional, mental healing and to help you balance your own energy so your body will heal itself as well. So I encourage you to give me a call at the Healing Heart Center. I look forward to helping you feel better.